Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nita here from Next with Nita, and my oh my, it's been a long time since I filmed a YouTube video. That is my son. Dee's with him right now, but yeah, I don't know, I've had this like mental roadblock to like film anything long form. I don't know what it is, but I was like, I gotta get back to it because I miss doing these, and I figured I'll do like a Chanel unboxing because I actually got a new bag in, and I was like, okay, this is something I can ease my way in. It's like quick and easy, kind of fun to do. I haven't gotten a new bag in a really long time, and so I am so excited to share this. Here is the bag. So I can kind of like at least take this out. And I'll probably just flip the phone over and do a close-up of it that way. Okay, let's do the unboxing. Okay, you guys, I'm not like the most delicate unraveler, unboxer, but this is the bag. It's really pretty, so I really like, it's kind of like this iridescent blush gold. Like, I love when the light hits on it, it's so pretty. And the inside is like a light pink color. It is a really good size bag. It's hard for me to do small bags because I carry a lot of stuff between like my phone, keys, portable charger, like credit cards, lipstick, things like that. And I feel like this will 100% fit everything. It has a button clasp here so you can put stuff in. Of course, like the zipper inside, but it's really cute. Oh, and I like the hardware on it. I thought it was just so different. It's kind of like a mixed metal vibe. So here is that, and it transitions into this like gold. So fun. So you can wear it several different ways. You can wear it like this. You can wear it, obviously I'm not in the attire. Wow, I'm like world's worst Chanel unboxing, but you can wear it as like a crossbody. So pretty. I will see if I can find it online. I'm not really sure. We just went into the Chanel store at Highland Park Village and I saw this, and it's something that actually my sister-in-law was debating between this and another bag. She ended up going with the other bag, but she still really liked this. So I was like, oh, I'll take it. And at least the bag is like in the family, so she can borrow anytime. Because with Chanel bags, like one of those things, once it's gone, especially like the unique ones. I hope you guys found this fun, and I hope I can do weekly videos again. We have a really good setup now with like sending Kai off. We call it daycare. It's really just one day at my parents' house, one day at my in-laws' house. And so now I can kind of get in the groove of like filming and editing videos on the same day, at least on one of those days. I'm out of breath. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Chat soon. Bye.